Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to claim the Hamster Kombat daily cipher for today. Today's date is 4th September 2024, and the Morse code for today is off chain. First thing you do is to click on daily cipher here, then go to daily cipher. The first letter is O. To get this O, you do three dashes. For the F, you do 2 dots, 1 dash and another dot. Then for the second F, you do the same thing, 2 dots, 1 dash and the last dot. Then for the C, you do 1 dash, 1 dot, another dash and another dot. Okay, we'll start afresh. The C, we'll go again, wait for a while, then get the C. Dash, dot, dash, dot for the C. Then for the H, you do 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the A, you do 1 dot and another dash. 1 dot and 1 dash. As it going back. Okay, let's get the H again. 4 dots. For the A, 1 dot and 1 dash. Then for the I, you do 2 dots. 1, 2. For the last letter, which is N, you do 1 dash and 1 dot. Dash, dot. Click on take the price. Please like this video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.